Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Obaiza chita nepo. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Obaiza chita nepo.
Welcome to this Pandana Oyster album ya Batondy Batuni. Look at this album. This is the best album so far. So ndobyanga ngolumbo futi tero lumura badinga manda lumbo nabado funanga mbiro namo ya Pitori Ndi Batondy bitano bazdiba till the Altered Beast album review. Hapa ndi msi Batondy bana Ramzey ufi aruna mutengo. I think ukwamba ngarufuna hapa petu terwe Batondy na kana Batondy bitano bana Ramzey Ramarata RR vakoda kavone vachiri aruna mutengo rwimbo ni 2 minutes 55 seconds ripfa. And by the way, Ramzey is my one of my best Ndi Musuntaka is one of the best artists pano Venda Venda. I rate him. He's in my top 3. One day I will give you my top 10 Venda artist. One day. It's one day. Let's go. Ramzey, Batondy.
Yeah, it's beat down. Ara. Todi chira ufuna marine tota sitao ufuna ngano nudivaza ngondi jiribana ufuna mendi sinabona penya arima dande oteto wa penya sinida money from me like a bank out politina chitu ndibona nasa pasera biru yanga ina mtengo imuvuna spengo Mujiee yanga todi chira nae.
Okay guys, flow ya Batondy is dangerous. Batondy when flow in a word it can tune it each and everything. So never when I go imba zones or tenda zwabu this. So I'm impressed.
Inamtengo imuvuna spengo Mujiee yanga todi chira nae.
Baby chinganangana chawe chidore perengedza yacho zvavangana vatu vavashu vangana va chimwe chipinga vangana vadina
dompiringedza uchiya zvitu zvavo valambori vambedza songonanera anguni lomvazi wepepa funo rafuna zvine rafuna utekomberera ridola zvine ndasuma funo rumberuni hazvitodupiro pfuma but I know you only human ndizodzura naye masengatina baby keyonga mahana nyamambiru baby todichira naye.
Ramzey on the same line. Okay. Yeah, that was Aruna Mutengo by Batondy featuring Ramzey basongwa ngozo called if you are the altered beast. Yeah, Batondy hapa nonitizno iwana nepaka YouTube banga iwana tiru. I love this song. I love the song. You know, ubachina tomoto ke album ne. Chitu chinanda kuchivenga ke album. The songs are too short. Which is a good thing, by the way, in this because it leaves you wanting more from the artist. Over too much is your dinner. So I love this album so much. I think, and it's my best album yet in Vhare Venda, alongside Ndi another album, ya Bamba. These two albums are classic. So this one, I'm loving this album so far. This track is fire. This track is fire. This track is dope. This track is amazing. They didn't disappoint me. Like, I know this expect or Ramzey the batch or rock but no that's gonna flow ya batch flow. So I love this song. I love it. Thank you, Batondy. Thank you, Ramzey. Thank you, everybody. Ndoribuwa. Kaba subscribe. Vote. Ba subscribe. I love you all. Thank you very much. Go and subscribe to the channel. Vasongo ngotonda the album ya Batondy, The Altered Beast. Ioneka all digital stores today. Nda.